Are you tired of the same old cookie-cutter houses that all look alike? Do you dream of a home that is both luxurious and functional, yet unique and stylish? If so, then you need to see these stunning luxury barndominium plans that you can afford in 2025. Barndominium has gained immense popularity as it offers the best of both worlds, the coziness of a cabin and the spaciousness of a barn, all at nearly half the cost of a traditional home. And now, with mortgage rates lower than ever before, it's the perfect time to turn your dream barndominium into a reality. So let's dive into the top 6 luxury barndominium house plans that you can build in 2025. These barndominium plans are not only affordable, but they also offer plenty of space for vehicles, workshops, or even hobbies like woodworking or crafting. Let's get started. The Berry Hill Plan 30657 is a compact yet powerful barndominium plan that is perfect for those who want to downsize without sacrificing luxury. With 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this 1,465 square foot barndominium has everything you need and more. As you enter the home, you will be wowed by the clever use of space. The stairs leading to the upstairs living area are tucked away under the main living area, creating a seamless flow. The upstairs living area features a cozy fireplace and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The master suite is located on the main floor and features a walk-in closet, double vanities, and a luxurious soaking tub. The other 2 bathrooms are equally impressive with modern finishes and spacious showers. But that's not all. The Berry Hill Plan also features a 2-car garage, a mudroom, and a screened-in porch. With its steel frame construction, this barndominium is not only durable, but also energy efficient. If you're looking for a small yet luxurious barndominium, the Berry Hill Plan is the perfect choice for you. The Jonesboro Plan 30206 is a charming and functional barndominium that boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in a 1,260 square foot living space. The interior of this barndominium is truly impressive with an open concept that seamlessly combines the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and plenty of cabinet space. The master suite is a true oasis with a walk-in shower, double vanities, and a large walk-in closet. The 2nd bedroom is just as spacious and well-appointed, making it perfect for guests or even a home office. But that's not all. The Jonesboro Plan also includes a 3-car garage, providing ample space for all your vehicles and even some storage. This barndominium is perfect for those who want to enjoy the peace and quiet of rural living while still being close to all the amenities of the city. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own your dream barndominium. Contact us today to learn more about the Jonesboro Plan and start building your dream home. Welcome to the Pittston Farm Plan 30347, where rustic charm meets modern luxury. This stunning barndominium features a spacious open floor plan with high ceilings and exposed beams, giving you that warm and inviting feeling you've been looking for. The kitchen is a chef's paradise with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large center island perfect for entertaining guests. The master suite is your private retreat, featuring a huge walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom with a deep soaking tub and a separate walk-in shower. With 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, there is plenty of space for your family and guests. And if that's not enough, the Pittston Farm Plan also includes a barn-style roof with plenty of storage space and a huge outdoor living area complete with a fireplace and a grill. You'll love spending time on the 640 square foot covered deck overlooking the beautiful countryside. This barndominium is not only visually appealing, but it's also built to last with a durable metal exterior and a solid foundation. It's the perfect blend of country living and modern luxury. Contact us today to learn more about the Pittston Farm Plan and start building your dream home. The Hazlewood Plan 30589 is a Scandinavian modern masterpiece that redefines luxury living in a barndominium. This stunning 2,332 square foot home features clean lines, large windows, and a bright airy interior that lets in plenty of natural light. The great room is the centerpiece of the home with a vaulted ceiling and a cozy fireplace, perfect for gatherings with friends and family. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large island with seating for 4. The master suite is a true sanctuary with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom complete with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. The two additional bedrooms are equally comfortable and spacious, each with their own en-suite bathrooms. But that's not all. The Hazlewood plan also includes a 480 square foot loft area that can be used as a home office, gym, or guest suite. The 325 square foot front porch and the 370 square foot rear porch with a fireplace are the perfect places to relax and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The 65 foot by 36 foot garage is perfect for storing your vehicles and all of your toys. With its eco-friendly features, smart home technology, and sustainable materials, the Hazlewood plan is the epitome of luxury living in a barn. Don't miss out on this unique and stunning home. Contact us today to learn more. The Wakefield Plan 29673 is the ultimate barndominium for those who love to entertain. With over 2,810 square feet of living space, this luxurious home features a spacious open floor plan with soaring ceilings and huge windows that let in tons of natural light. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinets, and a large island that seats 6. The living room is perfect for hosting with plenty of space for seating and a cozy fireplace. And the dining room can easily accommodate large gatherings. But that's not all. The Wakefield plan also includes a loft area that can be used as a home office or guest suite. The master suite is a true oasis with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. The 3-car garage is perfect for storing your vehicles and all of your toys, including your RV, which can easily fit in the 48 by 12 RV garage with a 14 RV door. And when it comes to outdoor living, the Wakefield plan has you covered with multiple decks and patios for you to enjoy. One of the standout features of the Wakefield plan is the 30 by 60 outdoor living space with a fireplace and grill, perfect for hosting parties or enjoying a meal with your loved ones. Overall, the Wakefield plan is the ultimate barndominium for those who want it all: space, luxury, and entertainment value. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own your dream home. The Round Rock Plan 30168 is a stunning modern farmhouse that features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms spread across 1,781 square feet. The interior of this barndominium is truly breathtaking with 12-foot ceilings, exposed beams, and a wall of windows that floods the space with natural light. The gourmet kitchen features stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large island perfect for preparing meals and entertaining guests. The master suite is a luxurious retreat with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. The 2 additional bedrooms are spacious and bright with plenty of closet space. But that's not all. The Round Rock plan also includes a 3-car garage, a mudroom, and a screened-in porch. Additionally, the property features an RV garage with a 12-foot RV door perfect for storing your recreational vehicle or other toys. This stunning barndominium is located in a serene setting surrounded by beautiful views. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a vacation getaway, the Round Rock plan is the perfect choice for you. The Stillwater Plan 30086 is a magnificent barndominium that effortlessly combines rustic charm with modern luxury. With 3,205 square feet of living space, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is perfect for families or anyone who loves to entertain. The interior of the Stillwater plan is truly impressive with 12-foot ceilings, exposed beams, and a wall of windows that lets in plenty of natural light. The gourmet kitchen features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a large island perfect for cooking and socializing. The master suite is a true oasis with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. The 3,205 square feet of living space also includes 3 additional bedrooms, each with its own unique charm and character. But that's not all. The Stillwater plan also features a massive 1,232 square foot porch with a fireplace and grill, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. The property also features a 3-car garage and a 12-foot by 10-foot storage room perfect for all your storage needs. With its stunning design and prime location, the Stillwater plan is the epitome of luxury living in a barndominium. The Red Rocks Plan 30189 is a stunning barndominium that exudes rustic elegance with a touch of modern luxury. This 2,113 square foot home boasts a gorgeous wraparound porch, 1,667 square feet of which is covered, making it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The interior of the barndominium is equally impressive with an open floor plan that seamlessly combines the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and granite countertops, making it a chef's dream. The living room features a cozy fireplace and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The master suite is a true oasis with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and a walk-in shower. The 2 additional bedrooms are spacious and bright with ample closet space. But that's not all. The Red Rock plan also includes a 2-car garage and a 416 square foot bonus room that can be used as a home office, gym, or guest suite. This versatile space is perfect for those who need extra room for work or play. The entire home is designed with energy efficiency in mind with features such as spray foam insulation and low-E windows. The Red Rocks plan is the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern luxury. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more of our videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.